Caleb, you think it's raining?
No, I think it's just a little bit of fog.
Okay, a little bit of mist.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oil.
Holy shit.
That's good enough.
Tough loss.
How are you getting that one out, huh? That was a good one. Yeah.
Just wait 5 minutes and then do it again.
Yeah.
Straight.
This is one fucking lit up campground.
Oh yeah, bud. We are loaded up. Spare tire, bedding, shackles, and tow rope. Toolkit with everything. Diesel fuel, more bedding, more clothes, jacks, jumper cables. Caleb, you think it's raining?
No, I think it's just a little bit of fog.
Okay, a little bit of mist.
Yeah.
Okay. Cleared up a bit there, Caleb. I was worried we were gonna get washed out. But Caleb was praying for us.
Yep.
And we're okay. We'll live another day. How you guys doing?
Fucking man.
How's the ride quality?
A little bouncy.
A little bouncy? That's how you want her.
Exactly.
How about you, Lucas?
It's all good.
It's all good in the hood?
Yes, sir.
You keeping a journal?
No, I was just checking to see we had a pen.
He's getting ready to see, you know, if he catches any grouse, you got to keep track of them.
Yes, sir.
You got to report them to the government.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Breaking stuff.
Oh, we're good. Yep.
I brought my skinning blade. I brought my fillet knife.
Good. Someone shoot steel?
Yeah, steel casing. Look at it.
There you
As
go.
opposed to the
That's a little bit dented there, no?
a little bit.
Still good?
I'm not going to reload it. It's just going to become a wall decoration.
Okay.
Pretty good again, baby.
I see you.
A little bit of
Do it.
I have the whole axe in my hand.
Whack.
What's it made out of, Lucas?
genuine hickory.
Genuine hickory. There you go.
Drier than dry tonight, boys. Getting down stuff.
Yeah, just dropping some very tiny splinters here. Do you think Lucas likes Blasians?
We actually had a conversation about that.
Really? We did too!
It's got to be a good 50-50 split.
Yeah, like
I
half
don't-
white, half Asian?
Yeah, I don't want too much Asian. It's got to be the perfect amount of weight.
If they start speaking in ramen, it's too much Asian.
Oh, Jesus. I agree.
chop the wood.
Yep. Lucas looks ready to explore a new
I
colony.
found the whole thing of kindling, by the way.
No.
I
No.
do.
Don't say that.
No, I do.
That was a good one. Yeah. 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 One more. Same spot.
Sweet spot.
Whoa, buddy!
It just came in my pants.
Hard now.
Hard now, bud.
That wasn't hard before.
At this point, you can really use. And this isn't even a full-size felling axe. This is more along the size of a forest axe, medium size.
So that's a forest axe.
What?
That's a forest axe, not a falling axe?
Yeah, well, feller's axe. I mean, it is a feller's axe because it is an axe, not a hatchet, and it's not a maul. It's not meant for splitting.
Okay.
It's meant for felling trees. How bad?
They're all gone.
No, they're all in the bag. You just mix with receipt.
Yum.
Well, you know, receipt is delicious.
Oil.
Holy shit.
That's good enough. We're good for the oil industry. We're supporting Canadian products, really.
Give him Lordco business, eh?
That's right. I need another oil change.
Just wait 5 minutes and then do it again.
Yeah. That's right.
This is one fucking lit up campground.
Oh yeah, bud. What? You don't think he likes this fire?
No.
Oh. Okay.
He wanted that tarp.
He did, didn't he? But it had holes in it. It was a holy tarp.
How are you getting that one